had a baby, whether it was 6 weeks ago or 6 years ago, there's a good chance your core isn't functioning the way that it should. You might feel weak when you sit up or look down and see a weird bulge or cone in your stomach, or wonder why your body doesn't feel connected anymore. I get it, I've been there. Today, I'm giving you 5 home workouts for healing diastasis recti and breaking down why these movements are absolutely essential for rebuilding your strength postpartum. This is your starting point and your foundation. And this is how I began my journey back after having my son being 35 pounds overweight. If you felt confused, scared, or stuck, watch this all the way through to the end because I'll be giving you actionable items to take away. And as always, if you like content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. I post every other Thursday at noon Eastern time, specifically for busy working moms who want to reclaim their health. So get comfy and stick around. Let's talk about what diastasis recti actually is. Diastasis recti is the separation of your abdominal muscles after pregnancy. Think of your six-pack muscles pulling apart to make room for baby and then not fully coming back together. And it's more common than most people realize. Over 60% of moms experience it. But here's the issue. Most women don't know that they even have it. And they go back to crunches and planks or running way too soon, only to feel pain, doming, or worsening weakness. If you skip this step and go straight into the intensity, you'll be building strength on dysfunction. So today I'm giving you 5 movements that you can do at home with 0 equipment that actually help rebuild your core and pelvic floor. Let's get into them. Movement 1 is 360 breathing, AKA the breath reset. Lie flat on your back, knees bent. Inhale through your nose, expanding your ribs side to side, not belly up. Exhale fully, drawing your core muscles inward, gently pulling your belly button to your spine, almost like you're sucking in. Then slowly allow that air back in through your mouth. This matters because this retrains your diaphragm and deep core to function properly again. It's step 1 for every single client that I coach. Movement 2 is heel slides. Lie on your back, tuck your pelvis, and get into a glute bridge position. Exhale and engage your core as you slowly slide or step one heel out along the floor, then returning. This matters because it allows not only transverse abdominal engagement, but also pelvic floor and glute engagement. Movement 3 is glute bridges and core activation. Tuck your hips and slowly articulate your spine up to a glute bridge position. Lift your hips while keeping your ribs down and core engaged. Don't let your lower back arch. This matters because bridges fire up your glutes, pelvic floor, and core at the same time. This is crucial because weak glutes equal more pressure on a weak core and lower back. Movement 4 is dead bugs and a modified version. Lie on your back, arms up, legs up. Slowly lower one arm and the opposite leg while keeping your core pulled in. Go slow and don't let your belly push up. Keep that low back flat on the ground. There are 2 variations of this, so start with the beginner version and work your way to the advanced version. The focus more than anything with this movement is slow and controlled time under tension, pulling your rib cage in and keeping your pelvic floor tucked. This matters because this mimics real life movement patterns like carrying a car seat or twisting to grab your kids without trashing your core. Movement 5 is wall sits with core engagement. Slide down into a wall sit position. As you hold, practice 360 breathing and draw your pelvic floor and core up and in. This matters because it builds full body tension and teaches your core to stay active under load. That's real world strength along with engaging your legs, glutes, and your pelvic floor. Now, here's what I wish someone told me sooner. Your core is your foundation, not just for workouts, but for picking up your kids, loading in groceries, walking upstairs. If you try to get your body back with intense HIIT workouts or intense running and crazy core movements, but don't rebuild the basics, it will cost you. And maybe you're feeling that right now. Back pain, core feeling weak, peeing yourself with one small sneeze. And I get it, you probably have that lower belly pooch that no ab exercise fixes. Once you focus on healing diastasis recti with these exact movements, everything changes. I didn't lose just 35 pounds. I gained control, confidence, and actual strength. Wondering if it's working or if it's going to work? Here's a few signs that your diastasis is healing. You can, number one, activate your core without bulging or doming. Number two, you feel more stable during daily movements. Number three, you can hold tension through breath and posture. Number four, your belly shape is flattened over time, not overnight. Over time. Healing takes time, but if you stay consistent with these 5 exercises, you'll be building a body that supports you for life. Now, if this hit home for you, first, know this. You're not broken. You don't need to bounce back. You need to build forward. And these 5 moves are where it starts. If you're tired of the yo-yo dieting, comment below free course. If you want to know how we've helped 3,000 busy working moms lose 25 pounds in 16 weeks or less, I'll send you over our free course to teach you exactly how. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss next week's full body postpartum series, and share this video with a mom who needs it, because we don't talk about this enough. You gave life, now it's time for you to rebuild yours.